So, welcome back to the vlog. Last week I told you that I'm going to do a second day or second episode about that trip, and now it's the second day, and the sad part is that life happened in the morning. I woke up, I had some problems at work that I needed to take care of, and now it's 5:30, and that means that the golden hour has started already, and I have about 55 minutes to take the image before sunset, and I don't know even what I'm gonna get. But then I was thinking what to talk about on this episode, and I had an idea. I'm gonna talk about what to do if you're really late. You're kind of in the same situation as I am at the moment, so you have like 1 hour before the sunset. Where should you go and what kind of image should you try to get? So yeah, let's run to the beach. Alright, a couple of quick things if you're really late to the party. Firstly, use your home ground or use a location that you know, because either way you are not going to have enough time to scout for a new location or a new scene. For me, luckily, we are at Loksabat, or we are at an object called Loksabat, and it's basically Loksa boat. And it's an old boat wreck which is near my parents' house, and it's only like 15 minutes from there, and I know the location, I know what I can get here, and go from there. Oh well, this is something interesting. Anyhow, somebody has had fun here. But this is the boat, and I have really nice clouds at the moment. I'm trying to just find some new composition. But secondly, about worrying that you have already shot that place, don't worry about that, especially if you're on the beach. The sand moves, the seasons change, and usually nothing is the same on two different dates. Actually, it's a really useful technique to come to old locations that you have shot for, I don't know, 5, 10, 15 times, and try to find a new interpretation of the scene. So I have something, at least. And in situations like this, something is better than nothing. I'm trying to get the boat leading your view to the sunset, which is not actually happening that much, but we still have like a real nice cloud structure. And I'm doing long exposure and focus stacking because I want the boat to be in focus from the beginning to the end. So for that I need at least, I'm guessing 2-3 different exposures at the sweet point of my lens, which is f8 for my 24-70. So I'm gonna do that, and I'm using Lee 6-stop ND filter to elongate the exposure time. So let's see how it turns out. Here's the image, and hope you like it. Holy hell, as the sun went behind the clouds, it's cold. So yeah, that's October for you in Estonia. I'm guessing it's about 9 degrees in Celsius. And yeah, I'm gonna try a couple of different locations around the boat and see if I can find anything else. But that was a really short episode this time, but that is what happens when you come to a location at the last minute, or you just have like an hour to shoot. So firstly, plan your trip. If you're going to a new location, go like really early, and then you can scout, then you can have your cup of tea, you can chill around, do some Instagram stories if you want, and explore different options that you have on that location. Then another thing, if you're already late and you just really want to get an image on that evening, and if, let's say, the light is perfect and you don't want to miss the opportunity, go to a location that you know. It's 10 times easier to find a new composition in a good location that you know than it's to find a new composition in a new place, new surrounding that you don't have a clue what's going on. Because even if someone tells it was really nice during the spring, it doesn't mean it's really nice during autumn or during winter. So know your locations, and I have, for example, Google Maps that I have pinned down some 147 locations around Estonia. And if I'm really in a hurry and I have my camera, then I can just whip open my iPad and look at different options around my area. So that's that. And just, you know, don't worry about that you have been to a location. Just try to find something new, try to find a different perspective. And in the end, as Estonia is small, like really small, with 1.4 million inhabitants, you mostly go through all the locations during a year anyway, but each year is different, each season is different, and I'm guessing it's gonna take me 10, 15, 20 lifetime to get all the possible images that I could get from Estonia. So there's no excuses, just go out, shoot, and next time plan your trip. When I started this YouTube journey, I thought it would be a lot easier, but actually editing out 10 to 20 minutes long video each week and finding a subject for it, that's hard work. So in that sense, kudos to all our photographer YouTubers, because it's pretty hard going, especially in the beginning. I have the good fortune that I have edited commercials and not TV series but web series and some stuff like that. But anyways, I'll try to keep up my schedule from now on and try to fit it into my work week somehow. I made a bit of statistics for the first episodes that I filmed and edited, and for one episode I kind of figured At the moment it goes between 6 to 8 hours per episode time spent for me. And I know it's much, but I'm guessing it's gonna go down as I get better at shooting, talking and also filming B-roll. So I will have less crap and more of useful information on my SD cards. So yeah, just wanted to get that out of the way. Alright, but that's that. And yeah, once again, plan your trips. Life happens, but still, plan your trips. But like always, don't forget to subscribe if you like the content, hit the bell icon if you want to get notified when the next video is up, and all the video likes and comments are really appreciated because it helps me enormously to grow this channel. And if you want to see something in the upcoming episodes, or you want to critique my episode or my images, then go and do that. I will read every post and I will answer you, and if you have a really great idea for the next episode or an episode somewhere in the future, I'll try to make it happen. Okay, thanks and see you next time, guys.